Like, share with your friends so they can buy good wigs. Like, I mean good one. Okay guys, I'm popping right now, so thank you for watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of a wig I got from AliExpress. So we are going to be opening this wig. This is how it came, though the pack was very dirty. I don't know what happened. I just received it today. So right now I'm going to open the package. I'm going to open it. Let me see how it came in, the gift that came with it. So guys, let's open it together. All right. Voila. So one thing I noticed, all the wig I've been buying from AliExpress, I noticed here they usually write synthetic hair, though it's not synthetic, because there's one person I bought hair for. So she told me that the hair is synthetic because they wrote synthetic on the pack. So I contacted the company and they told me that it's not synthetic because they don't want to pay huge money for custom, so they always write synthetic. Okay guys, should in case you buy hair and you see on the pack or on the pack and they wrote synthetic, just know it's not synthetic. They are just escaping huge task. Okay, so the hair came like this with the bag, and I also got some. All right guys, can you see this? And this a cap. Okay, so right. Okay guys, so this is actually my first time doing a wig review on my channel,
and this wig is 24 inches straight hair, red.
These are
straight hair, 24 inches.
The hair really look
okay guys,
beautiful, and it's also soft, very soft. The lace is a bit lighter than my skin color, so I'm going to apply foundation on it to blend it. Okay, I'm also going to apply a little foundation on my So guys, thank you for watching. So I will leave the link of this website on my YouTube channel. I will leave it link where you can get this wig from on my description box. Please do not forget to share and like. Share with your friends so they can buy good wigs. Like, I mean good one. Okay guys, I'm popping right now. So thank you for watching.